Hi guys, welcome to Life with Queenette. If this is the first time you're coming, thank you so very much. And if you're a returning subscriber, please, I want to say that I love you very much and I don't take you for granted. And if you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, do share this video, do help us grow this community. Thank you so very much for coming. It was rather not just disturbing, but heart-wrenching that Nollywood has yet lost its best. Okay, the news of the popular legendary actor Don Brymo Uchegbu, best known for his royal father traditional roles in movies, died today after he slumped while shooting film in Ahoda, Port Harcourt, the River State capital. He was 56 years of age. Remember that Brymo's death happened barely a month after the movie industry lost yet another vibrant actor, Obinna Nwafo, popularly called Saint Obi, to the cold hands of death. Popular actor and singer Harry B. Anyanwu confirmed the news, and of course, that's one of his best friends. According to him, Brymo slumped while he was on a movie set and was immediately rushed to the hospital, where he gave up the ghost. The deceased was said to have suffered partial stroke resulting from high blood pressure. So this was what he said. I'll try and insert the script of what his friend, said about it. He said, "I returned to Asaba yesterday from Lagos and was preparing to travel to Port Harcourt to meet him on set before I heard this sad news this morning. I just posted on the internet one of the videos I did with him alongside his own video where he was saying people should appreciate him while he was alive and not when he's gone. They will be praising him," Harry B. said. Also confirming the sad news in a post shared on his Facebook page, actor Mrs Uchegbu shared the deceased picture and wrote, "Plan for tomorrow, but live for today. Tomorrow is not guaranteed." And I quote what he said. He said, "I wrote those lines on my WhatsApp status yesterday evening. My man, my 5 and 6, Don Brymo Uchegbu, passed away in his sleep. I received the shocking news this morning and had to verify from his family. It's hard to say goodbye." Don Brymo was born in, he hails from Enugwu Ukwu in Nsukka local government area of Anambra State. He was one of the most sought-after actor in Nigeria who was known for his kingship roles in movies. So the deceased started his acting career way back in secondary school days, where he was involved in stage plays. But he went professional after joining the movie industry in 2000. And since then, he had featured in many films, including My Beloved Daughter, Snake Battle, Land of Fire, No Mercy, My God Never Sleeps, among others. He also acted mostly in epic movies, contemporary movies, glamour movies, and action thriller movies, alongside the likes of Zubi Michael, Ken Eriks, Yul Edichie, Chika Ike, Iniedo, and a host of others. Until his demise, Don Brymo was one of the most respected and talented actors in Nigeria. His work was not only entertaining, but also inspired a generation of aspiring actors who looked up to him as a role model and mentor. Don Brymo will be remembered for his infectious laughter, his unwavering support, and his ability to, lit up any room he entered. The news of the actor's demise came as a rude shock to many of his colleagues and fans who have taken to their social media platforms to express their sadness over his loss. Paying tribute to the deceased, actress Eka Duke wrote on Instagram, "Sometimes I feel my pains, emotions, and sadness in a very private way, but men can't help but write this here. This one touched me, and it got me thinking. Wish we all knew the set time. May the perpetual light of God keep shining on you, sir. The words I hate the most." Okay, so if this is the first time you're hearing about Don Brymo, I had already said few things about him, that he started his acting career in the year 2000 when he joined Nollywood. That's the Nigerian movie industry. You know, acting with the A-list actors and actresses at that time, right? So he graduated from University of Nigeria, Nsukka, right? Before he went into this what is it called, the film industry full time. And he's married to Mrs Uchegbu, and they are blessed with kids. All right, even though he kept his family private, so we don't have so much details about the family. He was just a very private person as regards his family. It was just once or twice that I will still place those videos where he went out and was like having a good time with his kids. All right, I think one is into music or so. All right, so it's quite unfortunate, and like I said before, it came as a rude shock because that was the least thing people were expecting. He was one jolly good fellow, because each time I myself go to TikTok, I will see him dancing, because he's quite active on TikTok. You wouldn't know he's he's no longer the netizens or the digital natives, right? But he had a way of still putting himself into that generation, and playing the TikTok game like as though he was still a very young man. And we pray that his soul may rest in perfect peace. I mean, 56 years. Oh my God, that's just a little bit unsettling, if I may say. But we say when you're there, you leave it all out. You do what you can do. You be the best that you can. I wanted to go to the comment section. Tell me what you think. Did you watch his films? Because I did. I knew he was always the king. Is it that his daughter is this or his son is this? Go to the comment section and let's have a chat. And if you've been watching, if you're still watching till now, please subscribe now. Thank you so very much. How can people come and be watching, listening to me without subscribing? Please do subscribe. Support me. I beg you. God bless you. Bye for now.